On a more administrative side, we have the business administration course. As you probably are aware of, in most organizations, we have business administrators who are basically managing the day-to-day runnings of the organization. Knowledge modules in this course include ethics in the workplace, also building workplace relationship, making sure we have a good working culture that's inclusive within the organization. Also managing time. If you are a punctual individual, this could be the course for you. And also running effective meetings is another thing. Most meetings, people just meet up, but at the end, there is no actual tangible outcome. So administrators help us to make sure whatever meeting we set up, we end up with some tangible outcome. Also implementing administrative procedures, creating all those documents to be followed by employees and anyone who joins the organization. Also expenditure and budget, also have a look into the financials there on a high level. Then report writing is also another issue that business administrators will always be busy with, giving reports to various sectors of the organization, and managing service providers, dealing with the vendors and also dealing with the customers is a day-to-day thing that administrators are taught to be able to handle effectively, and also managing teams within the organization. This is an important course. The management courses a smooth running organization.